Guys, I wanted to give you an up-close look at these airbrush paints that I received from the company. Unfortunately, my airbrush just broke, but I still wanted to give you an up-close look at the paints themselves. These are going to work on a lot of different materials. So if you want to use these either for painting or for airbrushing, they can work on wood, ceramic, fabric. Definitely I would use it for fabric. It's water-based, it's acrylic, but it's water-based, so you're going to be able to clean it up really easy. And it's just like the pigments and the colors are really pretty. I wanted to show you what they look like, you know, on paper against like black. So just like how pretty they go on. They're super vibrant, and I like that they're thin, so that I know for airbrushing, that's what you want. You don't want it to be too thick and like kind of clog up your your machine. So that is really nice. They come in like all these different colors. Like I have the primary green, silver, black, and white. So I wanted to give you like a up close look at that. Let's see. And then it also does come with a medium, so that's nice. So you can see like it does actually come with that in the kit, so that's good. So here are your, your basics, your black, white, and gray. So that's great, like a silvery gray. And then your primary, like just a nice up close look at like how pretty the colors are and vibrant, how much you're getting in there. And then the green, and then as well as like the medium, like I said. So that is a really nice set. The colors, like here, I'm going to show you some more just to see what it comes out like. So they're going to flow really easy in the airbrush. You can mix them up, and again, like you can use this on all different material. I'm really excited to get my airbrush fixed or get a new one and then utilize this on some fabric. I love making tote bags with my kids. I think that's super fun. We love crafting, and I'm really excited to do that. So I will do another video once I get that going, but I'm really happy with these, and I would definitely pick these up if you need some new paints for your airbrush.